Hello guys, I'm back. So now we're going to talk about areas. What is area? Area is a two-dimensional concept. What is two-dimensional concept? It means in this world, there's only length and width. There's no height. Otherwise, it's a three-dimensional thing. So basically, the definition for area is how much flat space is a shape taking. That's the definition of area. And what's the units for area? We got millimeter squared, centimeter squared, decimeter squared, meter squared, kilometer squared. But be aware that in between meter squared and kilometer squared, we've got another unit. This sounds weird, but in area it does. It's called hectare. In hectare doesn't have its abbreviations like this one. This one actually stands for millimeter squared. That's what meter squared. This one just doesn't have this abbreviation, which is a bit annoying, you know. What this means is that this millimeter squared, 1 millimeter squared is a square, and the side length is 1 millimeter. That's millimeter squared. And what centimeter squared? It's this one. A square, 1 centimeter square is the amount of flat space a 1 centimeter side length square is taking, and then what decimeter square? Decimeter square is the amount of flat space a 1 decimeter side length square is taking, and meters the same thing. And then what's the conversion between? You gotta think about this. So what's one decimeter in terms of meters? It's 10. What? And it's 10 as well. The one is its area now. It's 10 times 10, which gives you 100. So the conversion between each other is in so in area is 100. So 100, 100. And for me, you can see, well, oh, what is hectare? What does that mean? What's that even mean? It's very easy. So it's saying that the amount of flat space that a 100-meter side length where it's taking is 1 hectare. This is what we knew to you, but just be aware, 1 hectare. So what's the conversion between a hectare and a meter squared? Easy. It's 100 times 100 equals to 10,000. So the conversion between meter squared and hectare is 10,000. What about hectare and kilometer squared? Oh, you have to be aware that 1 kilometer squared is a square that side length is 1 kilometer. And 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So we just times 1,000 by 100. Divided by 100 times 100. And you get 100. So the conversion between kilometer square and hectare is 100. So let's just do a quick summary. Kilometer square to centimeter square to decimeter square to meter square, hectare to kilometer square. So 100, 100, 10,000, and 100. This is the conversion between them. And to make sure you memorize this very well. If you don't memorize it, you can just draw the squares and calculate it. Yeah. Make sure to do the test. Yeah.